Here are my vintage keyboards. Some of them aren't that vintage, but this one is a IBM 1984 first personal computer keyboard with clicky keys. This one is a IPEX 1991 PC keyboard that works efficiently with Windows 3.1, but this one runs on Windows 1.0. This one is for Windows 95, Windows NT, and Windows 98, and also the Windows 2000 OS systems. This one is unbranded, because technically this one is for my school, my primary school when I was little. This one is a Windows XP keyboard from 2001, not that old. This one is a 2004 also Windows XP keyboard. Like that. The Windows logo. So, boo, the latest one that I've actually got is technically 2005 keyboard. Supposed to be for Windows Vista, which actually, surprisingly for me, not that bad. So this one's from 1984, 1991, 1995, 2001, 2004, and also 2005. So these are all my keyboards that I've got, probably so far actually. So some of them, like this one and this one, maybe this one, are vintage. This one might be vintage, looks vintage, but technically it's runs on Windows XP for a computer that runs on Windows XP. So technically this one is not that vintage, this one is not that vintage, and this one ain't vintage. So thanks for watching.